Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling the feature now, open System Settings and search Dictation. Turn on Dictation or live transcription and grant microphone access so the system can listen. Make sure you choose your preferred language and set a convenient shortcut. This saves time later. Plug in a headset if ambient noise is high or move to a quieter space. Once done, test with a short phrase to confirm input levels and that the Mac recognizes your voice. Now you dictate with purpose. Activate dictation, speak clearly, and say punctuation like comma or period so the text formats correctly. Use short sentences and natural pauses to keep accuracy high. If you need a new line, say new line or enter. Make corrections by selecting text and speaking replacements, or pause and repeat the phrase you want fixed. Once you practice editing by voice, your workflow becomes faster, and you spend less time. Finish by proofreading. You still catch homophones and names that sound right but are wrong. Once reviewed, export or use a shortcut to save, copy, or send the text where it belongs. If accuracy degrades, make sure microphone permissions are enabled and verify whether cloud dictation requires an internet connection. Also reposition the mic closer to your mouth. If problems persist, restart dictation in Settings and rerun a quick level check to eliminate hardware or.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.